Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you Chime how to set PIN for virtual card. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. You do not need to set a PIN from your child Chime Virtual Card, as it cannot be used for ATM withdrawals or in-person purchase that require a PIN. It's designed solely for online transactions and can be added mobile wallets for contactless payments. Now, in order to manage your virtual card in the Chime app, simply head over and open up the Chime app and then tap on the login option at the bottom of the screen. Then enter in your email and password and simply log into your account. Then once logged into your account, simply tap on your profile icon on the bottom right corner of the screen, and then inside from the menu, select cards. Then inside, select manage virtual cards and then tap on it to view details, freeze or unfreeze or replace the card. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.